Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to set an alarm in Infinix Hot 12 Play. But before you continue this video, as always I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. Well guys, first thing first that you have to do, here you just have to go ahead to the clock application on your phone. Here I'm gonna open mine like that. After that, here at the first option you will see this page, which is alarm page, and here at the bottom you will see another option. For example, here the clock, and then here the timer and the stopwatch. But if you want to set an alarm, you just have to go to the first option, which is alarm here, and tap on the plus button right here. After that, you just have to set the clock for the alarm like that. And here for the day, you can also choose for all the days, which is every day like that. And then here for the ringtone, you can also choose it. Here I'm gonna change to this traveler option. After that, go back because it will save automatically like that. Now you can also activate the vibration for the alarm, but if you don't want it, you just have to turn off the toggle next to vibrate like that. After that, here at the bottom at the last option, you can make a label for your alarm. So if you're done, if you think it's enough, tap on the save button here at the bottom. And yeah, as you can see, here's the alarm that I create is on or active. So just it, I think it's enough guys. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will help you. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon on the next one, and good luck.